almost all money comes in the form of loans in our current economy. It's all debt. So if that debt is going to be directed anywhere, then we need to reform the banks in a way where the money actually gets to productive use, like banks were originally for, rather than speculation, shadow banking, pushing up property, and the other stuff, which only leads to an over-indebted nation.
The Diamond Jubilee and wet weather, two reasons why they have been cited for contributing to this deepening recession. Do you agree?
Well, obviously there's market forces, but we're dealing with a much greater trend that goes beyond any kind of Olympics that we're seeing in the UK right now, or any kind of weather issues. Of course, those affect certain businesses, but they don't affect other businesses, so that's a good thing for other businesses. It's definitely a scapegoat, not looking at the greater issues, which is all down to our banking system right now.
But the quick solution seems to be austerity, even though economists, perhaps you can tell us why austerity does not work.
Well, austerity is not going to work because we have to remember that we've got an economy right now which is reliant upon ever-increasing levels of consumer debt, ever-increasing levels of corporate debt, and also when those don't work, when they're maxed out on their credit cards, is ever-increasing levels of government debt. So we have to stop pretending that we're trying to actually pay down our debt, because the effect of ever paying down the debt is a decrease in the economy. It's a decrease in the money supply. So if you try and cut back through austerity measures, all you're doing is taking money out of infrastructure, and that's going to have to be used in order to bail out the banks at the next round of banking bailouts. So it's not going to work.
Simon Dixon from Bank to the Future. Thank you so much. In other news, protests